This is Cheryl. Cheryl's a female. This is her rostrum. This is her mouth. This is her eyes and her nostrils. She has two spiracles on either side of her head. This is her dorsal anterior fin, and this is her posterior dorsal fin, which is kind of ripped off. This is her caudal fin, and she has two anal fins on the bottom, pectoral fins on the side, and gill slits. The shark has a fusiform body shape which is meant for long-distance swimming and built for going fast. Right here is the lateral line and is made up of a series of tiny pores used for sensing movement and pressure in the water. Then there's the cloacal opening, which is used for urinating. There are two main large lobes of the liver. One in the middle, and then one small one in the middle, which contains the gallbladder. This tube right here is the esophagus, which leads to the stomach, which leads to the intestines and the duodenum. After the duodenum is the colon, and then it comes out the anus. Right here is the pancreas, and it's located on the duodenum. And its main function is to produce digestive enzymes. Then there's the spleen, which is a dark triangular shape, and its main function is to store red and white blood cells, which you can see with the latex.
Sharks have 5 internal gill slits. They lead into cavities called gill pouches, which lead to the outside by external gill slits. Inside there are gill rakers, which act as strainers to prevent food particles from leaving the pharynx through gill slits. The partitions between gill pouches are referred as branchial bars. Like all fish, sharks have gill filaments, which are well vascularized.
This is the view of the oral cavity. You can see there's 2 rows of small teeth right here, and a different perspective of the gills and the gill rakers. This leads to the pharynx down here, and then which leads into the esophagus and the rest of the digestive tract. This is the pericardium, the membrane lining the inner walls of the pericardial cavity. Inside of the pericardial cavity is the heart. On the heart there are 2 chambers, 2 lobes, the atrium, which pumps blood into the ventricles, and the ventricle, which pumps blood into the gills. Along the length of the spine are 2 kidneys, which are dark, and they regulate the blood and get rid of toxins. I'll go nuts.
So here we have the forebrain, and it contains paired olfactory bulbs as well as the thalamus, hypothalamus, and pituitary gland. The next brain right here is the midbrain. It contains 2 prominent bulging optic lobes. The last brain is the hindbrain right here, and it consists of the cerebellum, the medulla oblongata.